How to promote and sell NFT art on Twitter, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can promote and sell your NFT art on Twitter. So let's get into it. Now, NFTs are a super lucrative way right now to make money as well as to express yourself with your, own expression. NFTs are super popular right now, and with so many different NFT launches coming up all the time, so many different collections being launched every day, how can you get noticed on Twitter and how can you promote the growth of your NFT collection using Twitter? Well, that is a question people are often having now because the community can be so saturated and sometimes you just don't understand where to get started with. Well, it's very simple, and I'm just going to break it down into the most easiest way that you can go on ahead and build a larger audience for your NFT collection and how you can promote and sell your collection on Twitter. So to get started, first off, you need to have your own NFT profile. So you need to make sure that it is dedicated to your NFT collection. You can name it on the basis of the collection, like you have, the Bored Yacht Apes collection. So they have their own NFT Twitter account. So if you want to build your own artist account, you can choose to do that, as well as to choose to create a specific account that is only going to promote that specific collection. So that is totally up to you. Now, the second thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a NFT as your profile photo, or one of whatever is your most popular NFT. Just put it as your profile photo and make sure you have a cover image. So you want to make sure that the background image is a image that people can view your NFT work from, or it's something interesting because you want people to know you as a NFT artist or know your work. That is what you're trying to do. So make sure that the first two things that people see when they come onto your portfolio are NFT related. Now, how does NFT Twitter work? How can you build the community or become a part of the community? Well, first off is to interact and talk to other people on Twitter. By this, I don't mean just spam on other people's Twitter accounts and be like, hey, follow my NFTs or take a look at my NFTs. No. You actually want to put in your take on other people. You want to interact with other people in a meaningful fashion. And a lot of people often forget that when they think of promoting and selling their own NFTs, you want to make sure that you are actually building connections in the space. That is more important than directly promoting your own NFTs. And people often spam other people's comments, or, this person over here, that's No Moon, definitely not a floral grifter either. And instead of, interacting with the person or, talking with the person, replying to what they're actually tweeting about, people just try to promote their own NFT being like, hey, look at my collection. No, that is not going to be interactive, or it's not going to be helpful for your collection. If people see you doing this, any valuable person or any investor or anyone that is actually interested in purchasing NFTs will straight up put you on the blacklist, because they're going to be like, hey, this person is just a spammer. They don't have any actual interest in art or NFTs. So make sure that you are replying and talking and interacting with people in a meaningful fashion. That is one of the most important tips that I give out that a lot of people forget, and you kind of overlook this when you're trying to get your NFTs out there, but it is very, very, very essential. Second up is to follow legitimate influencers. Following hashtags is easy. Just go on Twitter, look at a hashtag NFT, look at other NFT hashtags. So you can just follow those hashtags. Make sure you're having, like a lookout for those specific hashtags, and you can follow and like and interact with people in that way. A lot of people recommend using Twitter bots to like a specific hashtag and keep on liking it. I don't really recommend that. I think that you should build a genuine collection with other people in the space, because the NFT community is such a close-knit community, and your art is only valued if the community thinks it should be valued. So to build value, you should be as authentic as possible, and for that I don't recommend that you use bots or something like that. Now, In other things is to follow legitimate influencers. Now, this is a list created by Mr. Fungible. It is called the NFT Gold List. It has 31 members, and I recommend that you follow all of these people. Are super influential people in the NFT space. You can find your own NFT influencers if you like a artist. Like if you're browsing on OpenSea and you're like, hey, I really love this artist's work, and I actually want to follow them. Just follow those people. Take a look at the different artists that are out there. Take a look at the collections like Pop It Punk. So what I will just do now is search for them on Twitter. So I will just search for that specific thing on Twitter, and you can go on ahead and interact with the people that you find their art interesting. Talk to the thing and talk to the people that you find interesting. So that is going to be one of the most essential ways that you are going to build more connections, is simply by interacting with legitimate influencers and following legitimate influencers. Now, you might see those random YouTubers trying to promote NFTs and they're promoting a specific collection or something like that. Now, I don't recommend following those people. Just go into the NFT Gold List and from here follow these people, and from here you will slowly read up on these people, take a look at their tweets, and you will see other influential people in the space. And just because someone has like a lot of followers doesn't mean that they are a legitimate influencer. A lot of fake influencers are present in the NFT space, so make sure that okay, this person only has 71k followers, maybe they're not that popular in the NFT space. No, these people are super valued people in the space, so make sure you are able to interact in a meaningful way or follow these people at least to get their takes on NFT. Secondly, make sure that you are not spamming with your own promotion, even in your own tweets. So in your profile, I would recommend you should tweet every day. I don't think you should tweet more than like once or twice a day. That's more than enough. Be regular with your tweets. Don't just disappear. Just tweet every day, especially if you have something meaningful to say. Tweet more than once a day. And then make sure you're not just spamming with your own promotion. So even in your own tweets, instead of just constantly trying to be like, hey, instead of just constantly tweeting things like, hey, I launched my collection, although you want to promote your own NFT collection, that is the purpose. But make sure you're not spamming it. So make sure you have like a 2-tweet gap. So if you tweet a promotional tweet for a collection, do 1 or 2 tweets about something else or some other collection, anything other than your own self. So after those 2 tweets, you can do another promotional tweet, and that just spaces out your self-promotion. Obviously, you can do more than 1 or 2 tweets about your own collection, but make sure you're not spamming your own self or just being too much on the promo side of Twitter. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.